This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Delmarva Dental Services.
Well, you brush, you floss, you rinse, you do everything you can to keep your teeth in tip-top shape. The care you put into your teeth may leave you wondering, do I still need to go to the dentist? And how often do you really need to go? Well, consider this. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly 1/3 of adults has untreated tooth decay. The CDC reports 1 in 7 adults ages 35 to 44 has gum disease. But that number jumps to 1 in every 4 adults who are 65 years and older. Let's take it a step further. What about your kids and their oral health? Well, the CDC reports nearly 1 out of every 5 children has untreated cavities. The rate is almost 20% for kids between ages 2 through 5, and almost 23% of kids between the ages of 6 and 19 has untreated cavities. Well, there are a few simple solutions to avoid these setbacks, and some of them may surprise you. In fact, it doesn't have to be painful, and it doesn't mean you have to visit the dentist for more than your routine checkups. Joining us today to explain are Dr. Joseph Harmon and dental hygienist Allison Klebe with Delmarva Dental Services. Thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Glad to be here, Lisa.
Now, Dr. Harmon, we heard the statistics. We can get some pretty serious health problems. Why are people not going to the dentist, do you think?
Well, people make a lot of excuses to get out of going to the dentist, like it's sunny out, it's raining out, my dog ran away,
Yeah.
I have a headache. The most important one that trumps all dental visits is I have a hair appointment. And you know, Lisa, if you had a hair appointment, you wouldn't go to the dentist.
You're probably right about that. We find all kinds of excuses, don't we?
But seriously, the main causes of not going to the dentist are fear, cost, and people are too busy.
They're just too busy, yeah. What are some of the common fears that people have?
Well, a lot of the common fear, main one is fear pain, needles, drill, sounds, loss of control, embarrassment, getting lectured.
Yeah, yeah. So we're talking adults primarily, but kids. How can we ease the fear of kids, especially young ones?
Well, really, the earlier you go, the better, before you have a problem. We recommend going between 6 months and 1 year, and that way they have a pleasant experience before they have a problem.
Yeah, yeah. Now, going back to adults, we have our fears too. Is there a way you can ease our fears?
Well, the biggest thing is to listen, to the fears. We have an anti-anxiety scale, and basically we find out what they're actually afraid of, and we can address them directly. And we also have forms of sedation and things like that can help.
So there are other health problems that can occur by not going to the dentist. What are they?
Well, not going to the dentist, you can have a higher bacterial level in your mouth, which can affect your health. It can raise your blood sugar, bacteria in your bloodstream. It can lead to problems with your artificial joints and things like that.
Okay. Now, Allison, we know that it's a daily thing to take care of our teeth. What are some things that we should avoid to have a healthy mouth?
First and foremost, don't smoke. You want to avoid eating ice, chewing ice, biting your fingernails, using your teeth as tools.
Yeah.
Definitely can cause damage. You also want to try not to sip on sugary drinks. And stay away from energy drinks.
Right, right. Okay. So, and there's some things we can do, Allison, maybe to just avoid the dentist, going to the dentist so much. What are they?
Definitely you want to floss every day. Everyone's least favorite thing to do, of course. Use an electric toothbrush. Use a low abrasive toothpaste that contains fluoride. Rinse with an antimicrobial mouthwash. And before bedtime, take an oral probiotic.
Okay, so we do all these things, the good maintenance. Maybe we won't see so much of you.
Exactly. I mean, if you see Allison, I mean, who would you rather see? Would you rather see Allison or would you rather see me?
It's just a matter of taking care of everything. Thank you so much, Allison and Dr. Harmon,
Thank you, Lisa,
for joining us this afternoon. And to learn more from Delmarva Dental Services about how you can keep your teeth in tip-top shape, go to DelmarvaLife.com and click on the show tab.